My name is Brendan Okona. I'm the founder of Tutaweba. I'll just be very brief about the concept. It's to solve this very basic problem when you have something you need to get to a friend of yours who's across town, but you don't want to go through the inconvenience of having to find him at his house or having to get some kind of transport, like that inconvenience to get from your place to his place, organize when you're going to meet, just to get to him like a book or a video game or just something very trivial. So what we do is you can go to the local store, you drop off the item there, you give them the phone number of your friend, you give them your phone number, you pay him for the item, and you go home. Then you get an SMS later when your friend has picked up the item. The rest of it is invisible to you. On the second part of it is the place where you drop off the item and the place where your friend picks up the item also make money from this concept. I leave any more to people who will join our team.